Hello traders, if you are a day trader then you are going to like this video because this video is especially for you if you have a patience and if you want to take the trades for the longer period of time, then this video is going to help you a lot. So let's start with the video, and we are going to the indicator section, and here we need to attach the couple of indicators that we will use. And the first indicator that we are going to use is called the we need to write squeeze, okay, and then we will write index, right? So when we will write squeeze index, INDEX, okay, then you will see that there are a lot of indicators, but we are going to use this one, squeeze index by Lux, Algo, and 1560 traders are using this indicator strategy. Okay, so guys, you can see the indicator is attached on our screen, and now we will attach the second indicator. So before I start the second indicator, let me introduce myself. I am a price action coach. I have a special coaching program for 1 hour. If you are weak in executing your trades, and if you don't know that from where you can take your entry and how much profit you should expect from the market, then book your 1 hour session with me. I will teach you trading on the naked chart, and you will be quite expert with trading after the 1 hour session. And moreover, subscribers, if you are willing to join the best broker that I personally use, this broker offers you variety of trading accounts, as you can see on the screen. I have given the links in the description of this video below. Okay, so guys, as I have we have attached one indicator that is called squeeze index. So basically you can see that this has a working exactly like the RSI, but we will use another indicator that will help us to generate more profitable signals, because right now instead of RSI we are going to use this one. This is going to help us a lot in terms of the overbought and oversold conditions. So for example, right now as you can see that the market is crossing the 80 levels, that's the overbought, and when we talk about the 20 levels, this is the oversold levels of the market. Okay, so let's go to the second indicator, and here we need to write super trend on TradingView, and then we will write MTF. Okay, MTF. So when you will write super trend MTF, then this is the famous indicator that is called super trend MTF heikinahsi by Lone Samti, and 4789 traders are using this one. And if I click this indicator, now you will see that it is attached on our screen, and the results are quite impressive. Okay, so if we go to the settings, if you want to change any settings, you can. Okay, so normally you know that this is used for the quick scalping purpose. That is used if you are willing to do quick trades, then you can use 10 into 3. Otherwise, let me give you the other settings as well. Like if you are going to plan long trades, very long trades for the longer period of time, then you can use 20 into 5 trading ratio. However, in this video I will be going to review it based on the ATR factor 3 and ATR period to 10. So let's make the things simple so that we can understand about the trading strategy. Okay, so guys, now let's talk about the entry rules. As you can see that this is kind of a super trend that is based on the heikinahsi, and it is providing us some key buy and sell signals. So for example, the buy pattern started from here, but we will make sure that the squeeze index should be oversold on that time. Like you can see almost at the 0 level, and then it crossing the 20 level. So this is quite fine. I mean, in that situations you can definitely take your entry from here. You can set up a stop loss at the previous low of the market, and then you can target something like, for example, 2.21 trading ratio is achieved from that trade. Okay, and the sell rules are very simple. If you get a sell signal from the super trend, just check the squeeze index that either it is at the overbought or not. If it is below the 80 level, then you can take a trade. Okay, so below the 80 level, that makes sense. Okay, so for example, right now if you look at here, on the Bitcoin USDT chart, the market is about to reach the 80 level. So it means that if you have, for example, it has given you entry when the squeeze momentum was down and the super trend was green, but now you can exit because you are able to see that it is about to reach the 80 level. So why there is need to take any further risk on the trade. Okay, so this is the overall approach by the trading strategy. But overall, if you are going to use it with the trend patterns like I have explained you, if we make the trend line, it's very clear that we are going into the upward direction on this chart, so we should consider the ups, we should not consider the downs, so you can be a profitable trader in that way. So guys, this is all about this strategy. If you are going to do scalping, then you need to work on the 15 minute. Otherwise, if you are a day trader like trading the 15-minute chart, 30 minutes, 1 hour, then you can profit from this strategy in the way like I have explained in this video. So guys, what do you think about this trading strategy? Let me know into the comment section. Please subscribe the FX Mentor US, like the videos and share the videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.